Hi there, and welcome to Backup and Versioning, the fully cloud-based, fully automated backup and restore solution that lets you run automatic, scheduled, and manual backups of your entire network infrastructure with ease. Let's start with a quick look at the setup process, and you'll see right away how simple it is. Like all VAPP products, backup and versioning runs entirely in the cloud, meaning there's nothing to install. All you need to do is enter your API key, then select the organization and network you want to manage. You can enable one-time passwords for tenant administrators to prevent unauthorized access and significantly reduce the risk of errors, keeping your data secure with built-in data safe features. Thanks to an automatic notification system, you'll stay up to date in real time, receiving alerts about configuration changes or any backup failures. This allows you to proactively manage your system and significantly improve your reporting processes. You can, of course, schedule your backups regularly by time, day, or month. And always keep your backup plan under control, eliminating the risk of forgetting anything. With webhooks, you can even trigger automatic backups whenever a change is made to your network configuration, whether it involves network devices, smart cameras, IoT sensors, or a combination of them. This gives you full control over your infrastructure with the ability to monitor and track changes in real time, ensuring you always have a clear view of your network's configuration history. Now let's take a look at the Backup and Versioning Dashboard, where you'll find useful information such as the number of API calls, backups performed, including any errors, restore activity, networks under backup, and license details. Everything you need for a complete overview at a glance. After all, backup and versioning was designed to simplify a task that's usually anything but simple. Just below, you'll find a list of your most recent backups. Clicking on any of them gives you detailed information about that backup, including access to full JSON configuration files that you can download or copy for future use. And if you ever delete a backup by mistake, don't worry. You can easily restore deleted backups from the trash folder, recovering your data in just a few clicks. One of the standout features of backup and versioning is definitely the restore function, which lets you effortlessly restore entire networks while maintaining object ID relationships with no need for redeployment. This dramatically simplifies the recovery process, making it faster and far more efficient. Another powerful tool is the configuration comparison feature, which allows you to quickly search and compare different backup configurations. It highlights the differences between them, helping you avoid restoring unwanted or misconfigured settings, giving you full control over your system's configuration with ease. And last but not least, backup and versioning lets you enhance security by assigning specific roles and access privileges to users. Customize access levels to simplify day-to-day management of your saved configurations, while ensuring a secure and efficient process. With this demo, we wanted to show you just how easy it is to protect your network flawlessly, gaining unmatched control and reliable backup management. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to truly understand how backup and versioning can meet your specific needs is to book a live demo with our team. We'd love to show you how to maximize your network efficiency and enjoy seamless infrastructure management.